Hi, this is Amit Ashar, and this is for my very dear friend Baban Kharat initiating himself into an academy. He and I have done a lot of work together, a lot of wonderful work, and he became like a part of family for me. And we've done many a wonderful shoot. And what I love most about him is his understanding of base and foundation. It is so thin that it's not visible, which is what I love. Yeah, he's always got that. There is working with him. I don't have to be particular about that because he's going to take care of it. So all the very, very best to Baban and his academy. May it see lots of success and may it educate and empower a lot of people in this beautiful art of makeup and hairstyling that he has. And it's wonderful to get people empowered into that. All the best to Baban and all the very best to all those who aspire to be a part of this academy. Thank you.